Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Botim account on your phone. So all you need to do is follow these steps. First step, open the Botim app, launch the Botim app on your phone, make sure you are logged in, and then go to settings, tap your profile icon, open settings, and then find account options. Select account, tap delete account or similar option. Step 4, verify your identity. Enter your phone number, enter the verification code, one-time password OTP sent to you, confirm deletion. And step 5, confirm permanently. Read the warning message carefully. Tap confirm to permanently delete your account. Some important notes: deleting your account is permanent. Your chat history and contacts will be removed. You may need to wait before re-registering with the same number. If you don't see the delete option, update the app to the latest version. If you can't delete from the app, go to Botim support via the app or website, submit request to delete your account manually, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.